Okay, welcome back. I finished these problems here where we had found, let's see, where are we? There we go. We solved for x, and we got x was 15. Remember to plug that back in to get our angles. So 5 times 15 here, this angle would be 75 degrees. 7 times 15 here would be 105 degrees for those first two angles. Then I solved for y, that should say y, 4 times y, because I had 1y and 3y equals 180 because they're consecutive interior angles. And I come up with y is 45, plug that back in, this angle would be 45, and this one would be 135 when you plug in y is 15. Excuse me, 45. Okay, last thing, these three problems here. The sides of a triangle are 3, 4, and 5. Find the scale factor between the longest side and shortest side. Scale factor just means a simplified ratio. The longest side is 5. The shortest side is 3. And that is a simplified ratio. So scale factor, just find the two things that match up and put it in a ratio. Make sure it's a simplified fraction. The length of a model train is 18 inches. It is a scale model of a train that is 48 feet long. So that's 18 to 48. And if we simplify that, let's see, if we divide by 6, we'll get 3 over 8. So that is our scale factor, 3 to 8. It would be totally correct to say 8 to 3 as well, because it didn't specify the order. The ratio of the sides of a triangle, 8 to 15 to 17. If the perimeter of the triangle is 480, find the length of each side of the triangle. Give this one a try and see if you can put in an x and solve for that one. The answers to number 8 here are 96, 180, 180, and 204. Let me know if you had trouble getting that, but make sure you can get that one. Number 9, the scale on a map indicates 1 inch equals 4 miles. So that scale factor is 1 to 4. If two towns are 3.5 inches apart, so inches was here, 3.5 inches apart, what is the actual distance between the two in miles between the two towns? So you're solving for x here. Cross multiply, your answer should end up being 14, but verify and make sure you put your units. All right, well that is it for our notes. I want you to make sure you do your homework on your syllabus and go back through any of these videos if you feel like you are confused. See you soon.